In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create call-only ad campaigns in Google Ads. Easy to follow and effective, this guide will ensure you understand every step of the way. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Google Ads account and navigate to the overview page. This is where you can see an overall snapshot of your current campaigns and metrics. Once you're on the overview page, look for the campaigns tab on the left hand side and give it a click. This will open up a list of all your existing campaigns. It's important to feel comfortable navigating through your campaign list, as this is where the foundation of your ad strategy is laid out. Next, find the Ads tab. Clicking here will show you a comprehensive list of all your current ads, organized by campaign and ad group. Now look for a plus icon, typically located at the top of the page. Clicking this icon will allow you to begin the creation of a new ad. It's the starting point for crafting your new call-only campaign. Within the drop-down options, select Call Ad. These are specialized ads designed to target users on mobile, encouraging them to call your business directly rather than visiting a website. Once selected, it will prompt you to choose an existing campaign for your new ad. Simply select the campaign that aligns with your call-only strategy, ensuring it's properly targeted toward a mobile-friendly audience. After selecting the campaign, it's time to hone in on the specific ad group where you want your call ad to appear. Choose the ad group that best fits your business goals and target audience. Now it's time to add some critical details to the ad itself. Start by entering your business phone number. Accuracy here is key, as this is the number potential customers will dial directly from the ad link. Then input the final URL. This URL won't be clicked as much because call-only ads focus on immediate contact, but including a relevant site link could be beneficial for certain campaigns. Now let's talk about the descriptions. You'll need to add 2 descriptive lines about your services or products. These lines should succinctly express what you offer and why potential customers should contact you. Crafting compelling descriptions can greatly impact how users perceive your ad. Finally, after double checking all your entries for accuracy, click on Save. This finalizes your new call-only ad, setting it live within your designated campaign. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully created a call-only ad campaign in Google Ads, ready to connect with customers straight from their mobile devices. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online marketing efforts.